Animals don't just bark or roar. Some of them sound truly bizarre. Here are 5 of the most unique animal sounds you've probably never heard. At number 5, the lyrebird. This bird can mimic anything, from chainsaws to camera shutters, and sounds exactly like it. Number 4, the howler monkey. Its deep, echoing roar can be heard from 3 miles away. It sounds more like a monster than a monkey. Number 3, the kookaburra. This Australian bird has a call that sounds like loud human laughter. Number 2, the elephant. Besides trumpeting, elephants use deep rumbles and low-frequency sounds that humans can't even hear without equipment. And number 1, the red fox. It makes a scream-like sound that's so eerie, it's often mistaken for someone shouting for help. Which one surprised your ears the most? Comment below and subscribe for more wild animal facts.